here I've got a Lister diesel generator. Now I'm going to see if I can get it going. Make sure your decompression valve is set. There. Get your cranking handle. Give it a good old twist. Go and put that on there. Decompression valve. There it goes. One Lister diesel generator going. So now it's going. How do we stop it? Well, to stop it, after you've used it. Oh yeah. Well, if you're not in the UK, they're what real sockets we use. But you use it for your respect to the volt. With 140 volts. Stop it! Which one's only done? We'll go straight. Will it go? Will it go? Yes. Right, slow. See when it'll stop. Whoa. That's slow. What? Look at the strength. Whoa, that was bloody slow. That was going to go again. Well, that's it. That was just me playing about, that was. There you have it, look. Didn't know whether it would run or not, but after taking it out of the garage, then trying it out, doing the fuel pipe and everything, with the help from my mate Jamie. Give him a mention, because I'm going to put this on YouTube. So, that's that. Another day. No one's going to nick that. It's time of night, because the weight. See you. Bye.